Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss HackerRank SQL in that basic select problems. In that second problem is revising the select query too. So now here is a question. This question is query the name field for all American cities in the city table. Here it is a city table and these are the column names, attribute names, field names, and with population is this population is greater than 1,20,000 and this country code for America is a USA. So now let me write a query for this one. Select star, not star here. They are asking only one attribute name, that is name field only. They are asking not star. If it is star for all attributes, so now here name from. So now here select star from table name is a city. Here city is a table, and then here what is the condition you have to write here where. So now here what is the condition? Populations uh, is greater than larger than 1,20,000. You have to write this column name all right. So population here population is greater than 1,20,000. So now here 1,20,000 and another condition is given. Here I am using and keyword, and now here your country code is country code. Country code is equals to USA. USA is a string, so that is USA. As it is, you have to type in this double quotes. It is terminated by semicolon. Let me run this code. So now here select star from city uh, where population is greater than 1,20,000 and country code is USA. So now here it is executed. So now let me submit this code. I hope it is clear to you. In the previous problem, there is a star for all the columns, but here is there is only one attribute. So now here that attribute name is a name. For all you have to represent um, star. If you want to select another attribute district, so comma uh, name comma district. I hope it is clear. Thank you very much to you all. So now here it is executed and you can go to the next challenge.